What specific challenges did you face with your original cluster management approach that drove you to seek a better solution?
Yeah. So our original setup was, of course, infrastructure as code also, but it was more Terraform based. And there were like several challenges that were like slowing up our speed because we were a very small team and we have to stay up to date on the management of this cluster. But one of the main pain point was the provisioning time. That would take like almost 1.5 weeks to get everything up and ready and offer it to like users. Okay, now the cluster is ready. Now can you use that, right? And the other thing was like the fragmented number of tools that we were using to manage this cluster. So on one hand, we have Terraform that we use to provision the cluster, but on the other hand, we have a like operator that is managing node pools, right? And then like every time there's like some sort of like synchronization issues that happening between Terraform state and like the other, we will have an issue. And also by the nature of the Terraform was also that if someone goes like a power user or like a sysadmin with a of course with a like privilege access and change something in the cloud, we would not know that like till next time we're running Terraform plan for that particular cluster. And when things like these were happening, we had like two issues to solve. First, to fix the state or who did it, like the change, and second was like also like the actual change that we wanted to do at first place. That's why we were running Terraform plan, right? So the work would like become like more like a firefighting effort where you're trying to fix things, also trying to figure out like the impact of what the changes were. And these inconsistencies were like not only like we're delaying like the migrations to between different clouds, but also need a lot of like these manual interventions that I was talking about. And that was putting a lot of strain like in a team of small engineers like ours.